Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much for coming if this is your first time. If you are returning, thank you for returning again. For my new people, I usually post on YouTube every day, unless I don't have time. And then what I will be trying to do though is record 7 videos in one day, so I have something to upload. And then the next week I can film 7 more, and then kind of just keep doing that. Because I've been kind of slacking with these videos, so I do apologize for that. I do intend to post every day though. So hopefully you will join this YouTube cult going on here. But yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, I wanted to come on here because Black Friday is over today, Saturday, but the deals are still going around, and I really wanted to bring value to you guys. To I would say like tell you about like the cool deals that are happening, because I feel like not a lot of people know about this page. So I'm gonna put it right here. We're gonna go through. But let's see. Trend Mood. So everyone knows Trend Mood. They talk about all their things. But what people don't know is that they have a second page called Trend Mood Deals, where they post everything that's like on sale for like makeup related things, which I love. I follow them exclusively. So let's get into it. They don't have a lot of stuff, but it's gonna be right here. Okay, so the first thing is 40% off everything all weekend long for Ofra. So if you're into Ofra, there you go. Wait. How long is it for? Yeah, all weekend long. So until the 2nd. I've never gotten anything from Ofra. They don't really intrigue me. But if you're super into their highlighters, which I heard are like super good, you might want to swoop in on those deals. The next thing is ABH. They're having 40% off lip gloss, matte lipsticks, and liquid lipsticks. Oh, and their highlighters. I think basically everything. But there's 2 deals that I really, really, really like. One is their 3-volt with, let's see, let me zoom in. Oh, it's not here. But they have the Modern Renaissance, the Soft Glam, and the Norvina. I think that's really good. And they also have one with just 2, with the Modern Renaissance and Soft Glam. You guys already know that I already bought those 2 from Sephora a while ago, so I'm just waiting to come in the mail. Okay. And then next is Ava. I've heard about them, but I've never like gotten anything or like seen anything. And then we got Juvia's Place doing 70% off select items. And I heard their eyeshadows are really good. Their eyeshadows seem a little bit too random for me, which is why I never feel like I gravitate towards them. Especially with all the eyeshadows I have. I don't think this is like what I need or what I want. Next is the Sephora 15 and under Black Friday deal. There's this one thing I got, hold on. Well, it's not on here, but it's it should come up in a little bit. I'll show you. Next, we got Beauty Bakery, 40% off everything. The only thing that they're like mainly known for was like their powder with that whole like Huda Beauty scandal and everything, but other than that, I don't know if there's like anything that I would want from them other than their powder, but I already have my Laura Mercier powder and I love that powder. If anything, I'm gonna get the Jeffree Star powder just to try because it's Jeffree Star. And I want to get everything from him. And I heard it does smell like cotton candy, so definitely want to smell that. We also got some Ulta deals. Basically, all this like Kylie stuff is on sale. I think 30% off. Then we also have Morphe, but I guess if you're like trying to introduce someone into makeup or they're like really trying to get into it, I think this is honestly a really good deal. Because you get a palette and then you get a spray and you get the brushes. And the brushes are pretty good and their spray is pretty good and their palettes are pretty good. I think I only have like one though. I only have the James Charles palette and I love that one. The pigment, A1. And then we have, what is this? Ulta. Oh my god, that's a lot of stuff. I have a bunch of stuff on sale. It's not stuff that I would want to get. What is this? Zoeva. Yeah, but if you're like trying to pick at like little things, I think Ulta would be a good place because I feel like they have a bunch of sales all the time, everywhere. Oh, this Milani palette is actually really pretty. 30% off. That's not enough to make me want to go and get it. 30% off. The only thing I did get for 30% off was ColourPop because I wanted some stuff. Oh, and then Beauty Bay is having their sales for like, they have a bunch of like buy one get one frees. I don't know. Beauty Bay is where it's at. They're always killing it with their deals. I love them. Oh wait, it's not Beauty Bay. It's Beautylish. My bad. But they're just amazing. I love them. They got Beautylish. Oh, we got all these things. Oh, this is all the Jeffree Star stuff. Yeah, they got all their stuff. And then we got some Kristen Dominique. Not a fan of any of these things yet. My friend had the mini storm palette, but oh, the little, I think it was like Celestial Storm. No, that's the big one. I don't know what the little one's called, but it was like cool, but it didn't like bring me in, you know? Next one, Jouer is having 20% off. I don't know why, but Jouer seems it seems like luxury makeup without like a luxury price point, so it's always like confusing my brain. I'm like, I feel like this product should be like $100, but that's just how I feel. Tatcha is having 20% off your $100 purchase, so basically you're getting $20 off. That's what they're saying. Oh, and they also have $15 off $15 off $75. Yeah, or you get like a mask for $50. Okay, so we got that. I forgot how to say this. Artis brushes are having 50% off, which is kind of a deal because their brushes are so fucking expensive. Oh wait, it's only 50% off their Elite Collection in matte black, which is kind of beautiful, but I don't need that right now. Oh, and then here we got ColourPop. We got all these. So everything is 30% off, and they're having like special sales throughout the week. I bought what is it? The BDX ColourPop, the Korean girl makeup one. I just love the colors in those. It was so beautiful. It's probably my favorite ColourPop palette ever. But I also bought this one, the Orange You Glad, for my boyfriend's best friend because she loves orange, and I feel like she'd really love that palette. And she's like comfortable wearing out bolder colors, which I love because I love colors like that, and I love when people wear those kind of colors out, you know? So if you're ever scared to try colors like that, I think you should just do it because a lot of people appreciate it, and people who are just scared, they appreciate it too. So we got Kylie having 30% off, KKW having 30% off. Is it just me? But like 30% off does not like reel me in. I feel like I need to see like over 50% off. Like Morphe's having 25% off, and they already give like 10% codes off to people. So, what is this? I've never heard of this before. This palette is pretty though. I've never heard of this brand before. But that palette is kind of pretty. The Spotlight palette. What else we got? We got some Sephora deals. Urban Decay, Huda Beauty. It's funny. I feel like not a lot of people are like super into that Fenty palette, which is weird because normally people are like into eyeshadow palettes. Like that's like the thing that like people collect, you know? But a lot of people they just like don't even talk about it. Hmm. Huda Beauty's having their sale. I saw a lot of their palettes gone. I think I tried to get one. I forget which one I wanted. Did I want that one? I can't remember which one I wanted. I think I wanted warm brown. I don't know. I just know I wanted a palette and it was sold out. What are they? 40 to 60% off? Oh my god. Oh wait, hold on. That is not bad. $10? That's really good. They're probably all sold out though. I would just double check. Then we got some Ofra 50% off highlighters. We got whatever this is, Ella and Mila. Forever. Kylie has 40 or 30 for eyes. We got some BH Cosmetics. I don't know. BH Cosmetics has never like intrigued me. I feel like they don't have like like they don't have like a vibe to them. I just feel like everything is like private labeled, and if you don't know what that means, private labeled is when you order. I'm just gonna give an example. There's a Chinese factory that makes products, and then you buy it from them, but you put your label on it, so it's like your product. But like a lot of people can have that product, if that makes sense. So I feel like that's the vibe they give me. So I'm not usually into it. That's why I make my own highlighters because I mean, yeah, I can pay some Asian manufacturer to like make them for me, but I like being able to make products with my hand. For eyeshadows, I am reaching out to Seed Beauty and Spats Lab. I think that's what it's called. It's the ones that I think Kylie, KKW, Tati Beauty, and ColourPop all work with them. And I heard great things about Tati Beauty, and I love ColourPop shadows. So if they could be like one of my manufacturers to help me make shadows, that would be awesome. House Labs, not interested. They got what? But do you see all these deals that like this page has? Like, oh, it's such a good page. Throughout the year when like someone just has a sale, they just post it on here and then you already know, you know? You don't have to go searching for it. And then we got Sigma, we got Black Friday event, 40% off. We got Too Faced, 30% off. That is not good. Too Faced, I think like in spring they had like a 75% off sale. I was like, how in the hell are they gonna have a 30% off on Black Friday and they're gonna have 75% on spring? That just does not make sense to me. Then we have Quay. I think those are the sunglasses that like Desi Perkins is always wearing. We got some of this Colored Rain. I heard people really love that like Queen of Hearts Colored Rain eyeshadow palette, but it looks similar to Modern Renaissance, so I already got Modern Renaissance. I don't need that one too. Or maybe I do. Oh my god, I want this mirror so bad. I asked my boyfriend to get it for me, but he said he would not spend $100 for a mirror, so probably not gonna get it. I would definitely check them out though. If you're like starting off, like doing makeup and stuff, this is an awesome like selfie mirror to have because you could like clip your phone onto it, and then you can have like the mirror, and it'll have bright lights. You look like a supermodel. We got some other deals from Sephora. This Natasha Denona sale was like, oh, so perfect. 50% off sales at Sephora. Or not Sephora. At Natasha Denona. They dead ass were, if you buy one palette, you would get another free. And I'm talking about her $239, the brown green, and the purple blue. So those two were on sale for buy one, get one free. They also had their sunrise. I think it was sunrise. There was sunrise, and then there was the Lila palette. Lila, yeah. There's like the purple one, and then there was their Safari palette, and then they had a bunch of like mini ones. So I need to tell you a story. So what happened was that I was looking on the website and I saw the purple one, the Lila one, was sold out. Like that one and the sunrise were like out of stock. So I ended up purchasing the big purple blue palette, the $239 one. That with the Safari. So I got the Safari for free because I paid the big one. The Safari is all that I wanted, right? Until I saw this deal, and then I'm like, I want it all. So, I got the big one, the big purple blue, and then I also got the what is it? The Safari one. And then I go just to refresh the page, like I check out and everything, and I'm like done, and I was about to like log off, and then I go to refresh the page, and that Lila palette is back in stock. And I was like, oh my god. So I like emailed their team like super quick, and I was like, I don't want this palette anymore. Please switch it out. But I was like, oh, they're gonna take longer to like reply to me, you know? So I was like, this is what I could do. I gotta look up their return policy. I read it. It said you could return it if you don't open it. But then you can I was like, I just gotta do it. So I bought another Safari palette, and then I bought the Lila palette just so it wouldn't go what's it called? On sale. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, just so it wouldn't go on sale, like, or out of sale or whatever. And I was like, hey, that ass just spent like almost $400 on palettes. But I'm gonna return the $239 one because I don't need them, you know? But so I should be getting the other one in the mail, the Lila and Safari, but I'm going to return the other ones because that's too much money. Oh, I think this is where I'm going to clip the video off. You guys get the gist of what I'm trying to show you. This page is awesome, especially during Black Friday, but even throughout the year, you'll get like deals because sometimes brands will be putting out things on sale better than their Black Friday deals, so just keep a lookout. And then, yes, guys. Oh, I also got I ordered the Jeffree Star 3 Extreme Frost. I'm so excited. But yeah, if you guys want to see a video of those, write some stuff down there. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's play the outro.